happens. Sorry?
It will not be called lopa.
Another sandhi is lopa only, but what lopa? What lopa happens? Visarga? Visarga lopa. Yes, that's a sandhi. Visarga doesn't become anything. Ekara and all doesn't become. So far we have not seen that. We are going to see that. So far what has become lopa? In this order we have seen ekara. Patanta ekara, vakara, it has become lopa. But now visarga is going to become lopa. Particular condition is that. We will see that. We will start now. Om Vakkatunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhar Bhavatu Me Sada Sakshatkritam Dayanandam Paramartha Swarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagarthadiva Sampruptau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Enakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwara Kritsam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Padinaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakaram Cha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinapathetamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Alpaksharam asandigdham Saravat Vishvato Mukham Astobham Anavadyam Cha Sutram Sutravido Viduhu Ayunna Trilak Eom I ouch, Ayavarat, Lund, Nyamanganam, Jabhai, Khadadash, Jabagadadash, Kapachathatha Chatatau, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal, Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha Ichuyashanam Talu Ruturashanam Murdha Lutulasanam Dantaha Ubu Padmaniyanam Oshtau Nyamangananam Nasikacha Edaito Kantatalu Odauto Kantaustam Makarasya Dantaustam Jukhva Muliyasya Jukhva Mulyam Nasikanusvarasya Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Dihata Nishajara Chamoh Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Raman Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bho Rama Mamuddhara Asmat, we supposed to chant today? Yes. Aham And Ishmat, who is supposed to do Ishmat? Yeah. Yuvavyam. Yuvayogo. Good. Then Pitra and Matra and all we saw, right? So we are not going to do it. I asked you to do some homework. Did you try that? Okay. You keep the homework with you separately. And Pitra Matra, you know this Rikaranta is declension. These are two types based on the Pratipadika, right? One is familial noun base, other one is agent noun base. So you will see the difference in the declensions. Pitra, Bratra, they're all familial noun base, declined in a particular way. Whereas Kartra, Datra, Bhoktra, Gantra, Shrotra, right? Even Drishtra, seer, all these are agent noun base, like Kartra Shabda. It is defined like Kartra. Kartra, I think I don't have it here. I will show my PDF file. I think I have not typed it here. So we can chant Kartra Shabda. If you remember Kartra Shabda, many Shabdas you know. So Pitra and Matra you know, that is enough. Pitra, Matra. Swasra is an exception. Don't worry about Swasra. We'll come to Swasra later. It is also like the other Shabda only. There is no difficulty in that. It is an exception. One Shabda only is there. So you can see that later, no problem. Now, Kartra or Datra in your book, Shabda Manjari, Datra Shabda is given. You can see the page number. What's the page number? 18, right? Huh? Order maybe. Shabda is number 6, right? 18. Yeah. So this is Datra Shabda. Compare with Pitra Shabda. We will chant this and you can repeat after me. Rikarantaha Pullingaha. Datra is there. We will take Kartra. Kartra Shabdaha. You know why we are taking Kartra? Aham Karta, that Abhimana is very strong, right? That's why. That's why we will take Kartra. Kartra is doer. Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. In what way it is different from Pitra? Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. But here, Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Long vowel is there, right? In Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Pitarau, Pitaraha. Matarau, Mataraha. Kartarau, Kartaraha. Difference. Then Pitaram becomes Dataram. Kartaram, Kartarau, Kartruna. Datra becomes Kartra, Kartravyam, Kartravihi. Kartre, Kartravyam, Kartravyaha. Kartuhu, Kartravyam, Kartravyaha. Kartuhu, Kartroho, Kartrunam. Kartari, Kartroho, Kartrushu. Ye dhataha becomes He Kartaha. हे कर्तारो हे कर्तारः. Right? So, what are the differences with Pitra? In Dvivachanam, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, and Dvitiya Vibhakti, all are long vowel. Pitaram, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Data, Kartaram, Kartaro, Kartrud. That is Kartrud. Then Datra, Kartra, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhi. All these are same. There is no difference. Only Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti. That too, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, all the Vachanam. This is the only difference. Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Pitaram, Pitaro, Pitrana. Pitra, Patra. Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhi. Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha. Pitu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha. Pitu, Pitroho, Pitranam, Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu. E Pitaha, E Pitaro, E Pitaraha. Right? All are same. Only Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, all the Vachanams are different. This is only difference between familial noun base and the agent noun base. Now, your homework you can take. You can try. Dhatru is a Kartru also you can take. You can take Bhoktru also. Karta Bhokta. That's right. Kartru, Bhoktru, Dhatru, Vaktru. What is Vaktru? Speaker. Kaditru. You can try Kaditru. Shrotru. Listener. Drashtru. Do it. Please take that as a homework. How to write Drashtru? That's a big question. What Chakara will come? I know you will ask. Drashtru. That's important. Huh? Kaditru. Okay, I will write to all of you. Kartru you can do. Kartru. Bhoktru. Dhatra it is there, but still you do it. Dhatra is giver, and Dhatra is creator. Dhatra, supporter. Dhatra, Mahaprana. Okay. And Vaktra, speaker. Adhivakta. Vaktra, how do you decline? Vakta, Vaktaro, Vaktaraha. Adhivakta means the one who speaks more. Adhikam Vadati is a liar. Or a liar, whatever it may be. Adhivaktra is liar. Okay, that's why he speaks with a lot. Adhivaktra. Then, Kad, you know, but it is not Katra. Kaditra. Kaditra, eater. Shrotra, listener. Then I said something, but it, Drashtra, important. It is here. Drashtru. This is how Drashtru, okay? Drashtru. How do you decline? Drashtaro, Drashtaraha. Yes. You can take one more also. Srashtru. Creator. Srishti. Okay. Drashtra. You can try all the shabdas. Adhikasya adhikam palam. What does it mean? Adhikasya adhikam palam. The more you do, you more benefit you will get. They say generally for japam and upasana, adhikasya adhikam palam. But this also works here. Okay. Okay. What? This is your homework. Listen here. Drishta, drashta. What is the difference?
The seer.
Drishta, what is seen, the object. And the seer is drashta. This is dra. Okay, don't get confused. Drishtapalam, Adrishtapalam, Drishta. Drashta, the seer. Okay.
Here you have said Drashtra.
Drashtru Pratipadikam. Rikarantaha. Drashtu. Yes. Yeah, picked up Samskrtam, sir. And one exception is there. You can see Naptra Shabdaha Api Ayam Eva. What is Naptra? Grandson. Is it familial or agent? But it is declined like agent. Exception, remember. Naptra is not Napta, Naptaro, Naptaraha. No. Napta, Naptaro, Naptaraha. Take homework, that also, right? Naptra. You can take Naptra also as your homework. You have to decline like Kartra Shabda. Huh? Not one line. Prathama Vibhakti, you want me to write? No, I will not write. Naptra. I am saying you right. Napta, Naptaro, Naptaraha. Naptaram, Naptaro, Naptrana. That's all, I have told everything. Right? Clear? Okay.
Please just don't tell the meanings of all. Just quickly.
Meaning already I told everything. Kartra, doer.
This last one is literally
Huh?
not
Naptra. That's what I am explaining now. Grandson. Naptra is grandson. Naptra is grandson because it is familiar noun based. It's an exception. Decline like this. These are the only thing to be noted here. Nothing else. So Rikaranta is done. Right? So your Shabda vocabulary is getting improved slowly, building up. Now another important Shabda we are going to see. It's a simple Shabda, Marut. It's very important when we study Panini, Sutrapata. They know what already we have done, okay? So you have to keep chanting it. How many Shabdas somebody can count and let you know how many Shabdas we have seen? Mati, Denu and all done. Now Marut. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Marut Shabdaha. This is Halanta Shabda. What Shabda? Because Marut is ending with consonant. Marut means wind. So air. So it is Pullinga. Marut, Marutau, Marutaha. It is the simplest Shabda. Even applying the sutra, getting the forms. Rama Shabda is difficult. This is simple Shabda. Marutam, Marutau, Marutaha. Maruta, Marutbhyam, Marutbihi. Marute, Marutbhyam, Marutbhyaha. Marutaha, Marutbhyam, Marutbhyaha. Marutaha, Marutoho, Marutam. Maruti, Marutoho, Marutsu. He Marut, He Marutau, He Marutaha. In how many places Marutaha appears? In 4 places. Depending on the context, we have to know the Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Marutaha, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Marutaha, Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam Marutaha, Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam Marutaha. Sambodhana Marut only. Okay, Sambodhana Marutaha is there. Okay, here Marutaha. So 5, 4 plus 1. So it's enough to take you for a ride. So you have to identify which is that, depending on the context. But simple Shabda. Yes? Now here, homework for this. This is, you do it, please keep a separate homework book. Practice this, then only you will be familiar with all the Shabdas. Now, you can decline it. What is it? It letter. Eti apagacchati iti it. Vipati is Eti apagacchati iti it. This is also from a dhatu. In Gado dhatu is that. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. It. How do you decline it? Like Marut. Don't ask for the linga. It is a, doesn't have a, it's used by Panini Mandarishi. Linga not required. Takarantaha, it shabdaha. I want you to practice it. It, itau, itaha, itam, itau, itaha, ita, itbhyam, itbi. That is itbhyam. Takara, bhyam. Okay. Ite, itbhyam, itbhyaha, itaha, itbhyam, itbhyaha, itaha, itoho, itam, iti, itoho, itsu, te, itaha. Not the, if you want to write, you can write. Because it is used in Sutra Pata, you will see it. This, it is not used, but the Shabda can be declined. Ik can be declined. Yes, what is ik? You know. What is ik? Quickly. What is ik? Ivurulu, simple. 5 letters, Ivurulu. Decline, similarly, ach also, you can decline like Marut. Ik, ikau, ikaha, ikam, ikau, ikaha, ika, ikvyam, ikbihi, ike, ikvyam, ikvyaha. Please note here, ikvyam, ikvyam. Why Gakara? I tell you later. But note this. Kakara is a Gakara will appear. Ikbihi also, Gakara will come. You write whatever you know, you write, it's okay. Later when you know further rule, we will modify that. Okay? Ach also. Ach, acho, achaha. Now you know why I use achaha? Ach, acho, achaha. Achaha means what? Vowels. Right? That's what plural is. Similarly, hal. Consonants. Hal, hello, halaha, halam, hello, halaha. Then, any other pratyahara which you like, can tell me. An, khar. Please take this as your. All these things will be useful when you study Sutra, like Marut Shabda. Okay, take this as your homework. And in the Shabda Manjari also it is given. Albhyam, albihi, yes. The Shabda Manjari it is, Marut Shabda is there. Other examples also you can try. Marut. Page number
33.
Shabda number
33.
30. Difficult to find the right number. 30? 34. Yes. You see how many Shabdas are there? All for you only, homework only. Take. Bhubhrit is there, Indrajit is there, Vishwajit, Somasut, Dadat. Okay. It's very interesting. All these are nouns. Okay, proper noun. Bhubhrit, the one. Bhu, Bhumam, Bibarti, the one who, Bangalore. Yeah, so Bhumam Bibarti, the one who sustains, protects, sustains the Prithvi. Bhubhrit, king. Bhubhrit means king. Indrajit, you know. Indram Jayati, Indrajit, the one who conquered Indra, Indrajit. Vishwajit, again same, Vishwam Jayati. Somasut, son of Soma. Somasut. I think son of Soma. Somasut could be moon also. So all these are Takaranta Shabda, declined like Marut. Note this. Prabhutayaha. How do you decline Prabhutayaha? Prabhutayaha, Prabhutayo, Prabhutayaha. Prabhutaya means etc. Okay, don't decline that. This is not for declension. Prabhuti is etc. Don't start declining that also. Like Marut Shabda. Prabhriti, etc. That can be declined like Hari Shabda. Prabhriti, Prabhrito, Prabhritayaha, that Prabhritayaha is here. Clear? This is etc. Prabhritayaha. All these are proper nouns. Therefore, please take this as your homework and do it. I'm not asking you to do it immediately. You take your own time. You don't have to show it to me. But do this homework, you know how much you understand. Write yourself. And again I tell you, these proper nouns are very simple, exactly like this. Here, dvya, dakara, bakara, bya, dvyaha. Whereas in this case, ik, hach and all, change will happen. That I will tell you later. Whatever you know, you write. Apply the same logic and write. Mistakes will be there, but it will not be considered as a mistake now. Later will be corrected. But I want you to practice that. So that when we study economy, you will understand what it is. Now the second one you see, all these are derived from the nouns, from the verb. All these are derived from the verb. Dadat, the one that gives, one who gives. Dadat, dibhyat, fear. Prabhutayaha, etc. Jakshat, Jagrat, Shasat, Chakasat, Daridrat. All these are derived from the noun. Daridra also noun, it's a verb only, okay. All these are derived from roots, verbal roots, dhatu. The first line is nouns. Second one derived from the dhatus. We are going to see the next later. You will see. We will derive pratipadika from verbal roots, dhatu, from the dhatu. The second line is that. So that also you can try the same way, the same line as Marut. Okay. So I got so many homework is there. Do it. Did you try the 10 sentences? No? 3 days time is there. Please do it. Dictionary. Did you talk to Kumarji any dictionary? No?
This dictionary, I downloaded one yesterday, this update. But it's very difficult to see the word. Unless you, suppose you want to know the English word, the Sanskrit word for some English. So it is a Sanskrit to English dictionary.
Yeah.
So it's difficult to find out.
Sanskrit to English. You want to find the meaning of Samskrtam word, right?
Of an English word in Sanskrit.
Then buy English Samskrtam.
So we must buy both English Sanskrit words.
But that will not be a big one. See, Samskritam, English, concise dictionary is there. And English to Samskritam, another concise is there. These two you keep it. Another one is a bound book, Vaman Shivaram Apte. It's a big book. Samskritam, English. You buy that. That's important. You, depending on the requirement, we will order it. We will get within a week's time. But how many of you have talked to Kumarji? I don't know. Did you talk to Kumarji?
Actually, Sharanji, I was thinking that you speak with him.
How many numbers? How do I know?
I put a list here, those who want, they can write it.
Again I'm telling. Okay, I didn't bring in this.
Both are there, yes, also.
They have two models in the book already.
We talk about that separately. You are talking about the third one.
Huh? Sorry?
They have the two separate ones, English to Sanskrit, Sanskrit to English.
Is that thin book? I mean, it's not a big one,
Not
right?
big one, those are two small ones.
Yes.
So we are talking about ordering the big one.
Another one big one. That maybe 1 or 2 copies may be available. You have to find out the books are maybe sold out. I don't know.
You don't have.
You buy all these 3. It will be useful. Concise English to Samskritam, that is Adalsam Swapte, and Samskritam to English, that is another book, dictionary. Sometimes when you do translation, you need both. It's a thin, not big one, okay. Maybe costing 200 or 150 rupees each book. So another one is a big one, Samskritam to English. You need it. You have required for your lifetime. So you buy that. Vaman Shivaram Apte is a big book, 650 rupees, I think. Depending on the requirement, Arinaji can give the names. So let me know, then I will order it. Yes, sir.
You can give the numbers now itself. No?
You can, Arinaji will take later. Yeah.
Color dictionary, the app.
Yeah. That's okay. App, let it be the app. But you have a physical book with you. I would recommend keep the physical book with you. App is fine, but not everywhere you will get the net. And app also, so many things will be there.
But you could download offline too.
Huh?
You could download it offline.
Yeah. App also is there, but I have a book. That is good. App also you can use. This also you can keep update. If you ask Swami, you will say better have a book. They will say the same thing I'm saying. App is there, current dictionary app. Yeah, but update, physical. Yeah. Okay, then now we will do the quickly something. Color Dick is the app.
But you
I also have it in my mobile. But still, I use physically this book. Okay, let us quickly recall these sandhi. So, in how many places Ukara Adesha has come so far? We have seen 2 places. Remember, when does Ukara Adesha come? Ukara comes in the place of Visarga. When? When it is Visarga is preceded by A and followed by A. Number 1. Second one, Visarga preceded by A and followed by Hush, soft consonants. Ukara Adesha Bhavati in 2 places. So many examples are there. In the Vivek Churamani yesterday also, I saw Stotriyo, Vrajino, Kama, Hato, Yo Brahmavit, Tamaha is there. I don't know how many of you spot that. Did you spot that? No?
Yes.
Very good. Alright. So, once you know this is what a Sunday is. Then it's done. You don't have to go back and see again study. It's simple. So, yesterday is on 35 and 34th and 35. Vivek Churamani. This is what is there in your book. Shotriyo. Avagraha is given to show you that Akara has elided. Shotriyo. Vrajino. Kama Hato. Yo Brahma Vittamaha. Right? Shrotriyo Vrajino. Let us do from here. What sandhi has happened here? Yo Brahma Vittamaha. O has come here. Right? O is here. So O means would be A plus U. So Ukara Adesha has come. Probably would have come in the place of Visarga, right? So must be Aha must be there. And what is the letter? Previous letter? Yakara. Yakara plus Aha. Yaha. Yaha Brahma Vittamaha. Right? If you can't see, please. Yaha Brahma Vittamaha. Okay, I will write this in big letters. Or I will write the answers here. Splitting the sandhi. If you can split, joining is nothing. Yo Brahma Vittamaha. Sandhi has happened. Step 1. Yo is there. So O, the Guna letter. So O is a combination of A plus U. So Yakara plus A plus U must have been there, right? Then whatever that follows, Brahma Vittamaha, I write only Brahma, that's okay. Then, because followed by, what letter? Followed by? Followed by? You have to say Hush, soft consonant. Takara is what? Hush, soft consonant. Now, Yakara plus A, Ya. Ukara Adesha has come. In the place of applying the rule. In what place Ukara would have come? The place, Ukara Adesha would have come in the place of Visarga when it is preceded by A and followed by Hush. So therefore, Yaha Brahma Vittamaha, right? This is how you have to split. Clear? You climbed up, now you climb down slowly. Be careful when you climb down. Right? The same way, Kama Hato Yo is there. Kama Hato. Now it is no more Yo, it is Yaha. We have split the sandhi. So Kama Hato. Step 1. Kama Hato. O is there. First you spot O. And followed by what letter? Yaha. Yeah, yakara. Yakara is it is a soft consonant. Now, kama hato, kama hat, o must be a plus u. It must be a plus u. Yaha. So, ukara would have come in the place of visarga. Visarga preceded by a and followed by hush. That's a rule. So, therefore, kama hataha. Yaha. But it is kama hataha. Akama hataha. Visarga is here. Okay. Therefore, all over it is akama hataha. Okay. It is akama hataha. That you have to see. Akama hataha. Now, Vrijino. Vrijino plus Vrijino, then Akama Hataha is there. Something has happened. Vrijino, Akama Hataha. This A is, Avadra shows A is there. Okay. So, Vrijino, Akama Hataha. O plus that is what here happened. What Sandhi has happened? Purva Rupa Sandhi has happened. We have split that now. Avagraha is showing that Purva Rupa has happened. That already Sandhi we have split. Purva Rupa. Now O is there. O will be A plus U. U would have come in the place of Visarga. Visarga preceded by A and followed by A. The first condition. Visarga preceded by A and followed by A. Therefore, not Ash. Vrijinaha. Vrijinaha akama hataha. Visarga preceded by A and followed by A. Therefore, in the place of Visarga, Ukara Adesha has come. The same way other Sandhi also. Okay? Please pause. Brahman Yuparataha. What is that Sandhi? Brahman Yuparataha. Swamiji said, Brahmani, he gave it extra, he gave the Anvaya. Brahmani Uparataha. What Sandhi? Brahmani Uparataha. Yan Sandhi. Brahman Uparataha. Okay. Okay. Done. So Ukara Adesha, remember. If my teacher is there, he will cover 10 or 15 sutras in a class. Finished. But we have been doing this for the last 2 classes. We have to pick up the speed. Then, the next one. Yakara Lopaha Visa. Visa, no? 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 Sir, Visa, sir. I am not asking question. Prashnarte na prashnaha. Aksheparte prashnaha. Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ach. Except I remember why it is not each. A is there, therefore you have to say Ach. Now I told yesterday. Right? Remember. So now, if you want, you can write in words. When Visarga is preceded by Visargaha is preceded by that is short vowel, and followed by Ach, excepting then what will happen? Then Visarga will be replaced by the Adesha Yakara. The Adesha Yakara will be Lopaha, will just be Lopaha optionally. This is what we saw yesterday, right? When Visarga is preceded by A and followed by Ach, excepting A, then Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. Yakara is the Adesha. That Adesha Yakara will be Lopaha optionally. Clear? I gave the example. What's the example? Krishna Agachat, something I gave. Yes. Some more examples are there. I will show you. First you write this. Finished? All of you? The morning class somebody said no? The table definition. Sayeva Maya Parimohitatma. That Sayeva comes in many places. Sabrahma Sashivasyendraha Sokshara Paramasvarat Sayeva Vishnu Stapranaha Sakalo Kisachandramaha. Please read this book. If you can do Sandhi, if anything is required, you can refer this. So, Sabrahma Sashivasyendraha. Okay, that I'll see later. Sabrahma, I'll take another example. The next example we'll do. After that, I will give you example from this. The next example, Visarga, next rule, not example, next rule. Visarga when preceded by A. So far we have seen Visarga preceded by A, right? Three things we have seen. Visarga preceded by A and followed by A, preceded by A and followed by Hush, preceded by A and followed by Ach, excepting A. Three things. So A is over. Visarga preceded by short vowel is over. Therefore A now. Visarga preceded by the long vowel A. Because in the beginning itself I told, we are going to discuss Visarga followed by Ash, preceded by A or A. So different possibilities we are seeing, right? So this is the fourth one in the list. In that list, this is the fourth one. The first three we have seen. And the first two, Ukara Adesha. And the last one, we saw just now, Yakara Adesha. This is also Yakara Adesha. That is, Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ash. What will happen? Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. So, therefore, two Ukara Adesha and two Yakara Adesha. Right? We have seen two Ukara Adesha and two Yakara Adesha. Remember when Ukara Adesha comes and Yakara Adesha comes. Visarga preceded by A, followed by A. Ukara Adesha. Preceded by A, followed by Hush. Ukara Adesha. Preceded by A, followed by Ach, except A. This is Yakara Adesha. Yakara Lopaha Bhavati, and then you know what happens. Then Visarga now preceded by A and followed by Ash. What is ash? What is ash? Vowels and soft consonants. So visarga will be replaced by yakara. That is what we are going to see. So 2 ukara adesha, 2 yakara adesha. Right? So now I'll show the example, the screen itself. There. See the example here. Balaha, right? Atra. Balaha, atra. Visarga is preceded by right? Balaha. Followed by which is ash letter. Therefore, visarga will be replaced by yakara. Bala yatra. Just you can do the melanam. Yakara plus becomes bala yatra. That is one. That is in a different color. Okay. The next one is, possibility is, yakara, where is the yakara now?
At the end of the word.
At the end of the
Padanta.
padam. Padanta yakara. Yes or no? Padanta yakara preceded by? Followed by? What is the rule?
Padanta yakara preceded by followed by
Hrasva.
Hrasva.
Short.
Please refer action D, rule number 7. Yakara, padanta yakara, vakara preceded by or a followed by ash. Yakara, vakara se lopaha bhavati, we saw. You see, this is the rule. Padanta yakara, vakara preceded by or a and followed by ash. Yakarasya, vakarasya, lopaha bhavati, right? This is the rule. Don't remember Akshandi. Akshandi itself struggle. How to move forward? This should come immediately. Padanta yakara vakara lopaha happens. Immediately Akshandi. See what precedes. Don't say preceded by ash and all. Only 2 specific letters. Followed by ash. You should not say followed by short vowel at all. Followed by ash. Specifically. Then only you can spot the rule. Otherwise, right? So, now applying that, what will happen to yakara now? Padanta yakara, preceded by a, followed by ash letter. I never call it a because I know the rule, that is the ash letter. Therefore, yakarasya lopaha bhavati. So, bala atra. After that, you can do sandhi and join. If you try to do, here something is there. The yakara is in different color. It will pop up. I think it must be different color. Yeah, see, it is there. I am very smart. I put. If you try to do, it will come. And there. So you cannot do it. Right? So bala atra only. This is, when you split, in the context you will see, when you split you have to understand. Bala atra. Right? Bala atra doesn't make any sense. Maybe in the sentence, see, in the sentence it could be like this. Like, the sentence it could be, the sentence, there's a sentence. Atra balaha khadanti. That's a sentence. Balaha atra khadanti is I am writing a sentence, Sanskrit sentence. Okay, just see. Balaha atra khadanti. You understand the meaning? Ke khadanti? Kutra? Not atra is here. Now same thing, applying sandhi, bala atra khadanti. Now you tell me what is bala. You will think only Rama only. Bala is Rama, Rame, Ramaha. So Pratama Vibhakti Ekavacham you will say. See the Kriyapada. That is why you say always you have to see the Kriyapada. Kadanti Bhagavachanam is there. Therefore it must be Bala. So Visarga is gone. Sandhi would have happened. You have to infer and do what Sandhi is. This is all. That's why I always ask you to see the Kriyapadam first. If it is Bala Kadanti, then no problem. Then there is no Sandhi. Only one person is Bala only. Strilinga. Clear? Suppose if it is Balaha, you tell me what Sandhi is that? Anybody? Quickly. Others. Let me give a chance to others. Okay. Let others say. Huh? What is it? Bala? Balaha atra kadati. Visarga lopa bhavati. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a, therefore U. Yes, U. What will happen? Balo. Balotra. Kadati. Right? Is it right, sir? Correct? No? Yes or no? Huh? Kadanti, no. Kadanti only. Only one boy. Bala. Is it correct or wrong? Tell me what? How many of you say it's correct? How many of you it's wrong? Come on, you have to say something. Yes, right or wrong? It's correct only. You cannot take a neutral position, okay? Yes or no only. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a. So Visarga is replaced by U. A plus U will become Balo. Balo atra. Purvarupa sandhi after that. Balotra. Right? Clear? So Balotra kadati. Balaha atra kadati. Remember the rule. Only two ukara adesha, two yakara adesha. Right? So what's the big deal with that? The next example. Lataha edhante. What rule is that? Lataha edhante. What Ash? Visarga preceded by? Followed by? Ash. What will happen to Visarga?
Yeah.
Yakara adesha bhavati, therefore lata edante. Or yakarasya lopaha bhavati. This yakara is here. Don't see that. It is there. So lata edante. Right? What is edante is Bhagavachanam. Therefore lataha edante is Bhagavachanam. Lata is what? Don't think lata is Rama Shabdavat. Rama Shabdavat only, but not Ekavachanam. Kriyapadam is edante, grows. Clear? Lata edante, if it is there in your book, don't correct it. It's a printing mistake. Visarga is missed. Typo. Visarga has disappeared by this rule. Okay? Visarga has disappeared by this rule. The fourth rule. In this order. Ekara, Ukara, Adesha. Please write, copy this. You understand or clear? If you can remember this all the time, then Sandhi is easy. Most of the things are done now. If these Sandhis are clear, many Sandhis you will be able to split. Homework I'll give you. How much you want? I'll tell you. I gave you homework already. Gita, the whole first chapter. Still you want homework? First identify. Kaivalya Upanishad is there. Viveka Chudamani is there. So many. Huh?
For the Shakara, can you give the homework
For
for
this?
followed by Ash.
Gita, Bhagavad Gitayam bahuni udaharanaani santi. Okay, I will do in the class. I'll give you. Now, next one. Putraha Davati. What sandhi is that? Quickly. Among the four rules are there. Which one? Putraha Davati. Followed by? When is akara here? Hush. So therefore visargasya sthane ukaraha adesha bhavati putro davati. Rule number 2. In this, if you 1, 2, 3, 4, if you name it, this is number 2. Right? Taha gachanti.
4.
4. Taha gachanti, tai gachanti, and yakara lopa bhavati option. Therefore ta gachanti. Here also ta is sate taha. That shabda should come to your mind immediately. Taha gachanti. Krishnaha eti. What's on these?
3.
Huh?
Followed by
First one, visarga preceded by a, followed by a. No.
3.
Followed by number 3. Preceded by a. Once you preceded by a, then one by one you knock off. First one is a, following letter, that is not. Second one, hush, that is not. Third one, hush. It is an hush letter, a. Therefore, visargasya sthane yakara adesha bhavati, yakarasya lopa bhavati. Right? Krishnaha eti. Clear? Please copy this, all these examples. Done? Finished, all of you? The next one. Janaha abitaha. What's on these? Visarga preceded by.
hush.
Preceded by, okay.
Followed by hush.
Followed by?
Hush.
Therefore?
Yeah.
Yakara adesha bhavati. Yakarasya lopa bhavati. Jana abitaha.
तदनन्तरं यकारः लोपः भवति.
समीचीनं, सम्यक् वदति. Next one, जनः वसति.
Second one.
Followed by? Yes. Clear? Very good. Now, the next one. Saha agacchati. Saha agacchati. What happens here?
This is the third one. Preceded.
Shall I ask anyone? Saha agacchati. Avantikaji. Third rule. Visarga preceded by a and followed by ash. A is ash letter, right? Therefore, visargasya sthane yakara adesha bhavati and yakara lopa happens. This is what is there in your book. Sa eva maya, sa eva, right? That example. This is the example.
But why is the fourth one? Because
Huh?
Saha is
I didn't say fourth one.
Third one.
the
Listen,
third one.
please.
Ach.
So when I say something, many of you have observed, people are in a different word. You have to count, listen to what I am saying. Already I would have said, then you will ask question, what is that? I already told, that's the third one I said, okay. Saha agacchati. Now, the next one, saha gacchati. Please tell me what is the rule. Saha gacchati. What is the rule? Anybody?
Hush, second.
Hare Krishna, I can say now. Now the door is open. Visarga
preceded by a,
preceded by a, followed by,
hush.
what will happen? Therefore, so gacchati, right? The answer should be so gacchati, not sir. So gacchati, right? Applying the rule. Whatever you said, I am applying. I am not doing anything. I am only, you are the karayita, I am only a karta. So gacchati, right? That's what you get? Yes or no?
Yes.
But this is not the answer. Why? There is an exception to this, which you will see tomorrow, right? When Saha and Eshaha, that is why I didn't show the answer, I stopped there. When Saha and Eshaha is followed by the word beginning with a consonant, Visarga lopaha bhavati, Visarga just drops, doesn't become yakara. That is the rule. That we will see tomorrow, right? Only in case of ach following you can apply this. When a consonant follows, Visarga is just dropped, right? That is why when I took this, I didn't show that example. Sabrahma, Sashiva, I stopped there. Oh, some other rule is there. Okay, we cannot do it. But Sayeva, this is the rule. Saha eva. Sayeva maya parimohitatma. There, this rule number 4 is applied. Whereas, Sabrahma, Sashivaha, right? There, Saha is there. Saha taute, Saha. Visarga followed by Hal. Hal. Consonant, Visarga drops. Okay, so that is the next rule. Therefore, the answer will be Sa Gacchati. This is what in your book also. I'm just typing this. Sat Brahma, Sashivaha, right? In the Kaivalya Upanishad, here. Whereas Sa Eva, there it is different. There Sa Eva is what rule? In this, 1, 2, 3, which one? Third rule. Third rule applied. But here, Visarga is there and it is dropped, just dropped, doesn't become Yakara. Whereas here, Visarga was there, it becomes Yakara and Yakara becomes Lopa. This rule, what we are going to see tomorrow, is specific for, very specific for Saha and Eshaha. Only for these two words. Please note, Saha, Eshaha, for that alone, specific rule. Okay, we will discuss it, don't worry. If you don't understand, no problem. We are going to discuss that tomorrow. Yes, this is the rule, we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavad. Please go.